Imagine a machine that can work your fields day and night, completely on its own, never needing a break, never making a mistake. Now picture a drone that can fly over your entire farm in minutes, detecting even the tiniest plant problems before they become major issues. But that's just the beginning. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 revolutionary AI machines that are transforming farming forever. From autonomous tractors that navigate themselves to robots that automatically harvest your crops with surgical precision. And wait until you see machine number 5. It's going to blow your mind. But let's dive in. Let's kick things off with a giant, the John Deere 8R autonomous tractor. Imagine a tractor so advanced, it doesn't even need a driver. This is the future of farming. The 8R uses a combination of AI, GPS, and real-time sensors to navigate fields with pinpoint accuracy. It plants seeds, fertilizes crops, and can even harvest them, all without a single human behind the wheel. And it doesn't just roam around aimlessly. The AI in this machine maps out the most efficient path, minimizing fuel use and maximizing productivity. Imagine sitting in your farmhouse, controlling an entire fleet of tractors from your phone. That's the reality with the John Deere 8R. And it's just the beginning of how AI is revolutionizing agriculture. But wait until you hear about what's coming next. Say goodbye to backbreaking manual weeding with the Dino robotic weeder. This AI-powered machine is like a Roomba for your farm, but much smarter. It doesn't just roll over crops, it carefully scans the ground, identifying weeds with stunning accuracy. Once spotted, it swiftly removes them without touching your valuable crops. Dino can handle huge fields entirely on its own, using advanced computer vision and machine learning to get better at weeding with every pass. And unlike herbicides, which can harm your soil, Dino is completely chemical-free. This robot is perfect for organic farms looking to maintain their fields efficiently. But don't get too comfortable just yet. The next machine is even more precise. If you thought crop spraying was all about covering everything in chemicals, think again. The EcoRobotics ARA is an AI-driven precision sprayer that changes the game. This solar-powered machine uses high-tech cameras and sensors to target individual plants with precision. Only the crops that need pesticides or fertilizer get sprayed, meaning you save up to 95% on chemicals while also protecting the environment. The AI scans each plant, determines what it needs, and applies exactly the right amount of care. It's like having a personal doctor for every single plant in your field. Now, if you're impressed with this, just wait until we talk about the system that turns greenhouses into futuristic growing hubs. Welcome to the future of indoor farming. Ironox has created a fully autonomous greenhouse system where robots handle every aspect of plant growth. From seed planting to harvesting, these machines do it all. They monitor light, water, and nutrients in real time, adjusting conditions automatically for the perfect growing environment. It's so efficient that it reduces water use by 90% and produces higher yields with fewer resources. But here's the kicker. Ironox can grow more food with less space, making it the ideal solution for urban farming and food production in areas with limited land. And it gets better. These machines never stop working. Ready for more? The next AI tool will take your breath away with how it targets and eliminates pests. Now, get ready for the Blue River See and Spray, a machine that can see exactly what's happening in your field and act on it instantly. Using AI-driven cameras, it identifies weeds in real time and applies herbicide only where it's needed. The days of blanket spraying chemicals are over. This machine can reduce herbicide usage by up to 90%. Not only does it save money, but it's also better for the environment and your soil. See and Spray learns as it works, adapting to different fields, crops, and conditions. It's like having a smart assistant for your crops that can make decisions on the fly. But this is nothing compared to the sheer versatility of the next machine on our list. Meet Roboti, a robotic powerhouse by AgroIntelli that does everything. Need to plant seeds? Roboti's got it. Need to fertilize crops? Roboti's on it. This fully autonomous robot can handle multiple tasks with precision and speed, making it one of the most versatile AI farming tools out there. And because it's fully modular, you can adjust Roboti to suit your farm's needs, whether you're planting, weeding, or cultivating. Roboti works 24/7, switching between tasks without missing a beat. Imagine having a team of robots working around the clock, taking care of your crops with surgical precision. Next up, we're going to the skies. Drones are already changing how we see the world, But Precision Hawk drones are taking farming to new heights. These AI-powered drones scan entire fields in minutes, capturing detailed data on soil health, plant growth, and water levels. Using multispectral and hyperspectral sensors, they can spot problems invisible to the human eye, like nutrient deficiencies or pest infestations, before they become costly. The data these drones gather allows farmers to make real-time decisions that boost crop yields and reduce waste. It's like having an eye in the sky watching over your farm, making sure everything is running smoothly. But speaking of ground-level precision, the next machine is something out of a sci-fi movie. Introducing Tom, Dick, and Harry, the AI-powered robots from the small robot company that work together to make farming smarter. Tom surveys your fields, gathering data on soil health and crop growth. Dick takes care of weeding, using precision tools to remove weeds without disturbing the soil. And Harry is your planter, sowing seeds exactly where they need to go. Together, they create an ecosystem of machines that take the guesswork out of farming. The robots are small, lightweight, and incredibly efficient. They reduce the need for heavy machinery, which compacts soil and can harm crop health. It's the ultimate teamwork in AI farming, but wait until you hear about the harvester that's unlike anything you've ever seen. The Virgo harvester from Root AI is designed to do one thing exceptionally well: harvest delicate crops like tomatoes, strawberries, and cucumbers with precision. Using advanced AI and machine learning, Virgo scans plants to identify the ripest produce and gently picks them using robotic arms. It even adjusts its grip depending on the fruit's size and ripeness to prevent damage. What's amazing is how quickly Virgo works. It can outperform human pickers by a significant margin without ever needing to rest. In crops where timing is critical, like berries, Virgo ensures every fruit is picked at peak ripeness, maximizing both quality and yield. But hold on, we've saved something special for last. We're closing out the list with the Terrasentia crop monitoring robot, a small but mighty machine that patrols your fields, gathering critical data on plant health. It uses AI-powered sensors to detect diseases, nutrient deficiencies, and stress in crops, often before they're visible to the human eye. Terrasentia provides farmers with detailed insights on a plant-by-plant basis, allowing for precise interventions that can save entire harvests. And because it works autonomously, it can monitor vast fields without needing constant human supervision. Imagine having a robot that can give you a daily report on the health of every single plant on your farm. That's the kind of future Terrasentia is bringing to farming. As you can see, these 10 new crazy farming machines use artificial intelligence to automate the agricultural process as much as possible and save farmers countless hours, making them work less and making them more money. Which one of these AI farming machines would you want on your own farm? Let me know in the comments if you're still watching. And don't forget to subscribe to this new channel to see a bunch of other crazy good videos like this one. See you in the next video.